For today's lesson, we're going to learn how to frame a wall. Since I'm a broke college kid and live in the dorms, I didn't have any access to wood, so I cut pieces of cardboard and labeled each one of them, and I'm going to teach you how to make a wall. When you're first constructing a building, the first thing you need is a foundation. So we're going to pretend that this piece of paper is a concrete slab on grade. Once you have your foundation, the next thing you need to do is take your sill plates. You'll have two sill plates that go across. We have one and we have two, which can be attached to the foundation using anchor bolts. Once you have your sill plates anchored down and in place, you want to take your joists and place them across the distance between the two sill plates. The joists will generally stand upright because they're stronger that way. Once you have your joists in place and standing upright, you're going to take your floor sheathing and put it on top of your joists. Now that we have our floor sheathing in place and resting on our joists, we're going to want to construct the wall. You want to construct the wall before you attach it to the floor sheathing because it's much easier to stand it upright when the wall is fully constructed than by building it in parts and connecting it to the floor sheathing from the beginning. The first thing you need to begin constructing your wall is a sole plate. The best way to remember this is like the sole of your shoe because it goes at the very bottom of the wall. The next step is to install your studs. You install your studs upright and attach them directly to the sole plate using nails or screws. Once you have your studs connected to your sole plate, the next step is to take a top plate and place it directly on top of your studs. You can attach this top plate to the top of your studs using either nails or screws. Once you have your first top plate installed on top of your studs, you need to take a second top plate and attach that directly to the first top plate, and you can attach this by using either nails or screws. Doubling up the top plates greatly increases the strength of the wall. Once you have your entire wall constructed with your studs attached to your sole plate and both top plates attached to the top of the studs, you want to connect the entire wall to the floor sheathing. Once you have your wall fully constructed, you want to attach it to your floor sheathing using either screws or nails. Once you have your first wall attached and upright, it is the same process with the next 3 walls, and then the first 4 sides of your building will be complete.